Hi friends, it's Yusuf. Today I'll show you how to make another popular Persian recipe. This time we will be making celery Khoresh. For today's recipe, you will need veal, beef or lamb, whichever you prefer, some celery, parsley, mint, turmeric, an onion and a lemon. First, let's dice the onion, prepare our pan and let it simmer. Next up, we will chop the meat into cubes and add it to the pan on medium heat. While that's cooking, twist up the herbs to hold them in place while finally chopping them. Putting two hands on the knife will help. It's time to flip the meat over and stir in some turmeric. Herbs are often used in Persian cooking and the different combinations create a powerful flavor. Mint is, for example, known to have anti-inflammatory and calming properties, so it makes a great addition for a healthy meal. Next, let's chop the celery. When you're shopping for celery, you want to pick ones with sturdy stalks and crisp leaves. Celery leaves are full of calcium, potassium and vitamin C, so after we've cut the stalks into small sections, we will chop the leaves up and add them to the dish to boost nutrition. Let it cook for 5 minutes and then add just enough water to cover the ingredients. Turn the heat down to low and let it simmer for 40 minutes. Some freshly squeezed lemon juice will really help bring out the flavors of the dish. About 15 more minutes and we're ready to go! Persian Khoresh recipes are served over rice, similar to curry dishes from India. Making Khoresh is a great way to include more satisfying and healthy meals in your diet. Thank you so much for watching everyone. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing so you can learn even more healthy and delicious Persian recipe. See you next time!